Hello everyone, this is Fatma from Hamariweb.com and today I will be unboxing the latest Nokia phone, Nokia 6.1, which comes in 3 different colors, black, white and blue. First, let's look at the box. On the front of the box, it has the advanced telecom seal on it. On the back of the box, there are a number of features which we will discuss later. It is also available as 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM and 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM variants. Now let's open the box and check what Nokia is offering us with this device. So here's Nokia 6.1. But we will review it later. Next, there is a SIM ejector tool, quick guide, and a small box which contains a data cable Type-C, headphones, and USB charger. Now let's check the device. The phone has a durable Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection with 6000 series of aluminum body. It has 5.5-inch Full HD display. Next is the speaker port, the front camera which is 8 megapixel and the Nokia branding next to it. On the bottom there is a charging port and a speaker unit. On the top here we have a headphones jack. On the side it has the volume and power buttons. On the other side it has a hybrid SIM slot. If you look at the back, it has a 16MP rear camera with ZEUS optics and dual tone flash. Fingerprint sensor has been placed below the camera. On the bottom there is Nokia and Android One branding. Now let's turn on the phone. It's on. Let's see. There are some folders which contain some useful pre-installed apps. Let's check out the settings. There is a fingerprint option. The phone has 64GB storage and 4GB of RAM. Let's check out the About phone. Nokia 6.1 has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor. It also runs with the 8.0 Oreo Android platform. Finally, let's check out the camera. The camera has some options on the top. Then there are multiple modes such as Photo, Panorama, Beautify, Pro, and more options you can try with settings. The Pro contains many professional options for the photography lovers. Let's swipe and switch to video mode. Now the video mode also has multiple modes: time-lapse, slow-mo, settings, which includes the live broadcast. But are they good? Let's check. I have a box with a cute design. Notice how you can control the brightness. The image is very clear and crisp. So if you're looking for a mid-range mobile phone, then this is definitely the one you should check out.